Hey, hi. So based on data set shared, okay, we have created a neural network. With the help of neural network, a CNN algorithm, we have trained the model, and that is also capable in prediction of disease. Okay, so this is the Jupyter notebook. Okay, which is I have used basically Colab to train the model. I have uploaded your data on Drive. Okay, and based on that, I have trained this model. Okay, so I'll just explain you key what I have done and what is the code block wise. Okay, so this is the block where we are reporting the libraries. Okay, and we have created a function to split the data set as your data set is has a folders with the images. So we have split the data set into training into testing part. We have created a 20% testing data and training test training 80%. Okay, so this is the code snippet which basically divide and copy the images from the main folder to train and test folder. Okay, so this particular code will create a two subfolder which is the train and test. Okay, so if you run this code in your Jupyter, in your Colab, so you will also get this two subfolder created. Okay. So as you can see, the only is total healthy images are 2000 something, and then based on 2000 images, we are using 1600 images as a training, and 400 images we are keeping for the testing. Similarly, for other categories, and this is a path which is main path where we are storing the categories. Okay, and this is the function which we have created process the image. Okay, to read the image from the path. Okay, so where we take the path and label type. Okay, and load the data. Okay, as we need data need to be converted in numpy, right? Neural network accept only numbers data, not the image. Image is also nothing but a numbers array. If you decode image in a pixels and pixels in RGB, so RGB is nothing but a value only. So it is nothing but convert the image into numpy array and then resize into the 120 into 120 part. Okay, as we have created a, we have almost a very huge size of image which is not required. So we have converted into 120 into 120. Okay, and then we have converted with the help of Keras image into array. So this function do the same. Okay, and this basically load data into x and y format. So x train we are loading like this way, and y test data we are loading like this way. Okay, and also whatever process data we have processed and loaded, we are saving into the numpy array format, so that next time whenever we need it, so we no need to do process from start. So this is something which we are storing. Okay, and then we are save the data. Okay, and this is the basic overview graph where we are printing the categories count ki how many number of images for training data, like healthy images are 1600 and the rest categories images count same. This is the pie chart, and similarly this is for testing data, and this is a pie chart for testing data in percentage format. And this is the overall comparison between testing and training data count. Okay, and this is the some random images which are we plotting from the dataset. And this is the neural network which we have created. We are using four neural network 2D layers. Okay, and then rest are max pooling layer and flatter layer. Okay, and this is a neural network, plain neural network which we have created. We have not used any pre-trained model or nothing. We have created everything from scratch. Okay, and since this is the model checkpoint which we have created, and this is the there we have started the training. We have used 100 epochs with the help of 32 batch. Okay, so after the training, initially we had a very low accuracy, around 47% accuracy only, with the 1.1 loss. Okay, and we then as we move for the epochs is nothing but algorithm train the data and train the neural network on data in number of times. Okay, so that is the epochs. So we had 100 epochs. So on 100 epochs we got a validation accuracy on testing data which is 97% with the loss of 0.3%, which is very less. Okay, so we have very achieved very good accuracy, almost 97% accuracy on testing data. So this is the classification evaluation of our data on testing data. So here we are passing all testing data and making asking model to make the prediction. So after that we are plotting some images and comparing the models. Okay, so this is the overall evaluation report. So this is the confusion matrix of our model. Okay, for the testing data, and this is the accuracy as per the classes. So we had almost 95% plus accuracy in all classes. Okay, which is very good. And this is the model accuracy overall graph, and this is the neural network architecture, and this is the image for the neural network which we are using, and here we are trying for the live prediction. We are loading the model and passing some random images and asking for the prediction. So as you can see, we have passed the moderate disease image, and it has also predicted the same, and for same for the high. Okay, so this is the training part which we have used for the training the model. And I also share you one link which is the collab link where you can do the live testing. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this link and you have to run the blockwise, or you just have to click on run all button. So once you click on run all button, it will run the code sequentially one by one. Okay, and then it will ask you for the image to upload the live image, okay, or any image, and it will make the prediction and give the output. Okay, so this is the code where we are loading the trained model. So this is our trained model which we have created by training the model. Okay, and this is the method which I have created which will load the data, load the image and load the model and make the prediction and show the output. Okay, so as you can see, once you run the code, it will ask you to select the image. Here you have to click on choose file, and then you have to go to the respective folder where whatever you have keep the image. So as you can see, I have downloaded some images. So this is something for high disease. So as you can see, I have uploaded the same. It will take some time to upload and make the prediction. So as you can see, system is also detected this is the high with the confidential score of 100. Okay, similarly, let's suppose upload some images. I don't know what is the category of this CT8. You can download the images from your data set. Okay, and then you can test. Okay, so as you can see, this is also belongs to high. Okay, let's try to upload some other images. Moderate. Let's try for the this A110. So as you can see, it is related to healthy, and as per the CT scan X-ray, it is also looks like a healthy scan. And here we can see some patches, right? So it is a high alert. Okay, so yeah, so this way you can demonstrate for the image part. Okay, for the now. Yeah, and rest we are working on it. Once complete, we will update. Okay.
So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.